Hi everyone, I'm with F&H Tech. When your coolant tank needs a clean, what do you usually use to get it done? Let's look inside the tank. Oil floats on top. Bacteria grow in the middle of the coolant, and sludge and chips settle at the bottom. Now, let's look at how F&H Tech tackles that bottom layer.
We've used different tools for cleaning the tank, but the results were never satisfying. Some cost too much, some take too long, and most just sit there collecting dust. Sound familiar? We started using F&H Tech's latest CSC-SD sludge cleaner. It handles all kinds of coolant tanks in our factory with ease, and maintenance is simple and efficient.
Here's how the CSC-SD works. The CSC series is air-driven. No electricity, no shock risk. Each unit can suction and discharge at once, keeping machines running without pause. Filters remove chips and sludge, leaving the waste drier. The S stands for a powerful, energy-saving pump, and the D is a patented dry suction function. Together, they form a complete 3-in-1 cleaning system. Did our introduction catch your attention? Want to know more? Just send us an email. We'll gladly give you detailed advice and answers. We're inviting partners from around the world to join us and create cleaner, smarter, and more efficient factories worldwide.